Welcome back everyone. In this video, you'll be learning how to do your analysis on SPSS called the analysis of variance, of course known as ANOVA. Analysis of variance is a very useful analytical tool, for instance in terms of analyzing variables with more than two categories, like 3 categories, 4 categories of responses. And of course, one of the strengths of ANOVA is that it is sufficient to analyze both the main effects of the independent variable on the dependent variable and also the interaction effects. And this, of course, is being done on what? On SPSS. Please, let's go to our SPSS platform. Let's see the software, the interface here. Currently on the data editor window. You click on Analyze, then you have General Linear Model. Before we do this, let me quickly interpret this data set. Let me tell you what it means. We have data set on GPA, we have data set on grade, we have data set on being active in class. So what we are doing here is to know or to investigate if the grade of students affects their GPA and if being active in class affects their GPA. Now let's return back to analysis. You click on Analyze. The icon is up here. You click on General Linear Model. Click on Univariate. Then this will pop out. We have the dependent variables, we have the fixed factors, we have the random factors, we have the covariate. Of course, our dependent variable here is the GPA, being a continuous variable, and our dependent variables, that's a grade obtained in class, and also being active in class. Being active in class. And let's do that into a random factor. Now, this has really shown that GPA is our dependent variable, while our independent variables are grade and being active in class. But for you to have an inclusion of the interaction effects, you need to click on Plots. Under Plots, on the horizontal axis, we put the first independent variable, which is grade, and under the separate lines, insert being active in class. Then you add. By this, we have a new variable called grade active, which of course will tell us about the interaction effects in our analysis. So we continue. You can do many other things using the following icons. Then you click OK. You can check your output window to see your results. Now we have here on the output window the result of our analysis. We have the result of the ANOVA here. We have the intercepts, we have the grade, we have active, and we have the interaction effect of active and grade. Now, talking about ANOVA, we talk about the F statistics, which tells us about the value of ANOVA. We have it here on the cursor, and we have the value for the intercept as 2159.123. We have the value for grade as 22.047. We have value for active as 1.714, and we have the value for grade and being active as 0.377. From these results, we can have both the main and the interaction effect. The interaction effect is about the combination of the two variables, grade and active, while the individual main effect of grade on GPA is our dependent variable and effect of being active on GPA. So let's say the interpretation. Say the significant level of the intercept is 0.000, meaning it is significant, of course less than 0.05, and for grade it's 0.001, of course also statistically significant, less than 0.05. However, for active, we have a very high probability value at 0.247, greater than 0.05, which means it's not significant. And of course, for the interaction effect of 0.822, also shows that it is not statistically significant. Now, we can have our interpretation by saying that grade has significant positive effect or impact on GPA, whereas active and the interaction effect between both grade and active do not have significant impact on GPA. So it means the significant difference in this GPA is being determined significantly by what? By grade alone. And there is no interaction effect between grade active on GPA. So I hope with this you've learned how to do your analysis of variance, that's ANOVA, using the SPSS. In our next video, we'll be talking more on other regression analysis. Thank you.